Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable bug report shortcut on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, okay, scroll down again and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show. And to show or turn on the developer option, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, scroll down and go to build number. And okay guys, to show or on the developer option, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now you are a developer. And okay guys, go back and you can see the developer options here in system settings. And okay, you'll have to do is go to developer options. Here in developer options, scroll down and go to debugging section. Here in debugging section, you can see the bug report shortcut. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the bug report shortcut, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. If this enable, show a button in the power menu for taking a bug report. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled bug report shortcut on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.